What's up, guys? I am back here with Gage and his famous Beast tornado
Beast
car.
has been upgraded. We have the turret for better aerodynamics. And here's the mini baby Beast,
aka his probes. And today we're doing my probe camera, which is gonna go like this. Tell me in the comments if y'all think that I should bring this view in another video.
the view of my Beast.
The view of the and I'll do the view of the Beast halfway through the video, I'm pretty sure, or well, some point. But let's get to deploying. We've switched to screws instead of using nails. Huge upgrade.
So guys, we are using like maybe 3-inch screws. As you can see, these will go into ground as far as they can reach to make our cars stay on the ground as long as possible, which I, with my cousin, are deploying right now.
Deploying. Nails going in. Inside nails.
Uh-oh, that's a problem.
Inside screws, I mean. We got our mini Jesus. I got my mini Jesus in the turret right now, because he gives our vehicle good luck. But let's get into it.
Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm still deploying, boy.
Alright, so I have the incompleted radar truck here. Still got to put the wheels and some of the boxes on. But after we do Gage's interceptor camera, then I will do the radar truck camera that is going to get lofted. Guarantee. Wait, can you all even see the radar truck right now from the via probe? Oh yeah, you can. Radar truck is far to the left. My Tornado Tacular 2, which is the new improved one, because I had to patch up one of my windows because when I was doing the debris test, aka throwing nails at it, it got shattered. Same for the windshield. So I had to patch those up. We just use cameras now. But the last time I was with Gage filming tornado intercepts was the age of the Tornado Tacular 1, which isn't that good.
All right.
Wait, should I go grab the Tacular 1?
Yes.
All right. I'll grab it in a bit. I'll grab it in a bit, and then we'll swap out the radar truck for it.
Yep. Gotta figure
Got
out.
the probes down. These are Gage's probes right there.
These are.
It's just they'll be off camera for most of it.
Yep. So these two go in the back of this beautiful one.
Yeah, they go in the back.
They go until like about right here, and when it's time, this door would pop out, and two of them would shoot out. Like one would go over here, and one would go over here and deploy.
Yeah, and also you guys can realize he has these little flaps, and that's his drop-down mechanism. He can't actually lift it, unlike mine, but his drop-down actually performed better than mine, surprisingly. But let's get into it. Make sure to watch the radar truck. Come on, give me the lead floor.
I will.
Right. First do the Beast, then do Beast get it in. Oh, radar truck lofted. the radar truck getting lofted. Gage, blow the radar truck.
Wait, do it again.
That was the radar truck being lofted.
You need to do it again for they get an actual good view. I do it from over here so it blows.
Alright, so Gage. Alright, so we're gonna get to scanning and I will tell you the wind speeds of the tornado that we're about to intercept. 400. Thankfully, the threshold is 480. Get into it! Radar truck!
Oh, front winds?
Yeah, front winds. All right, so that was that was the test, and these are the probes still standing there. Those are the two interceptors, and that's the radar truck. Stop, Gage. Now, as you see, that wasn't very good. It didn't do very good. But here is the radar truck view. Let me get the camera secure. Camera secured. Camera is secure. Tell me if I should do this view more.
All right, tornadoes happen.
Gage, stop.
Is this Here, let me help you guys. There you go.
Now, as you can see, radar truck got absolutely lofted when the camera turned upside down. But
I saw it and I helped.
okay. So here is our interceptor view. If everyone's ready, tell me if y'all like this view. Once again, tell me if I should bring it back in the comments. But wait, let me try to get it actually secure.
Get that big chunky.
Gage, time to test.
All right.
Gage, come on. All right, next we're gonna do the wind howling ultimate view of the beast. If we can and try to, if we can figure out how to make it a good view.
Let me help.
Without the camera falling.
So you gotta go like
wait,
that
wait,
and
wait.
hold
Can
it.
I just like secure it to there that way?
Wait, what you gotta do is push down like that on it.
Or I can just
Then
go
while
like,
it blows, it doesn't do that.
no, that won't work. All right, this is Gage's vehicle. This is Gage's vehicle here. Gage, keep doing it, come on. So, tell me if that was a good view. I will go grab the Tornado Tacular one, but that will be in a new video. So, click right up there.
Wait, hold on.
See you next time.
Wait, hold on.